Welcome students, I'm doing activity 6. The first instruction is retrieve the document accounts from your folder. Number 2 is edit the document as indicated in the text and according to the instructions below. I'm going to minimize my instructions and I'm going to go retrieve the file called accounts. Let's go back to the instructions. Change the font to Times New Roman size 12. That is applying to the whole document. The second instruction is change the font size as indicated by the manuscript signs. Delete the lines as indicated by the manuscript sign. Save the file as accounts 2 in the folder and close. Here's also an instruction. Type your name and surname on top of the document and there's one line space. So let's go back to my document. I'm going to put my cursor in front of the first line and press enter twice. I'm going to go up and I'm going to type in my initial and surname. You will be typing your name and surname. The second instruction was that the whole document is to be Times New Roman. So I'm going to use Control and A function. Control and A is select all. Instead of highlighting the whole document, I'm going to go to font and I'm going to change it to Times New Roman. And the size should be size 12. Let's go back to the instructions. So the first heading, accounts, banking accounts, should be uppercase, bold, and size 16. Let's go back and let's select the first heading and it should be size 16 and it should be uppercase. Right next to increasing and decreasing the font size, there is a drop down option by case changing, and I'm going to change it to uppercase and it should be bold as well. Let's go back to the instructions. They're saying transmission account and savings account should be underlined, italic, and size 14. So we can do both of them at the same time because it has the same instruction. How do I do that? You're gonna keep your finger in control. So this is known as selective highlighting. Keep my finger in control and I'm gonna highlight transmission account and savings account. If you find it a bit tricky, you can do it individually as well. So this must be underlined, italic, and size 14. The next instruction is internet, banking, and credit cards should be uppercase, underlined, and size 14. So it will be internet banking, keep my finger in control, credit cards, and this should be uppercase. It should be underlined and it be size 14. Let's go to the next instruction. The next instruction is we need to delete this paragraph. This is the manuscript sign for delete. So let's go to the document and let's look for the paragraph. If you are a full-time student, so let's highlight that and I'm going to press delete, and remember there's one line spacing between each paragraph. So these are all the manuscript sign instructions completed, and the last instruction is to save it as accounts 2 in your folder. So I'm going to click on file, save as, browse to where I'm going to save it, and I have a folder on my desktop for completed activities, and this will be accounts 2. Click on OK, and thank you. That is activity 6. Thank you.